just heading off to Sandringham, taking some fences. So yeah, just dropping them off to one of the sites down there. Some of the boys are there. Yeah, here am I driving down Henry. It's 9:48. So yeah, I'm still in Mankini. Just cruising down Highway 20. Going past the airport. Maybe it's way too late. Nice and sunny.
Oh, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's a bit harder to learn to trust in God. That's David Meese. Before him, it was Kiwi artist Drawn with Deliverance, and first up in the row 3, Andre Crouch, Soon and Very Soon. Well, the X will be along shortly after 10 o'clock back today, and well, don't forget, give your heart to God and your hand to mankind. Peter signing off. Trust you can join me tomorrow for some of the breakfast show.
Pacific Park Christian Holiday Camp is the place to come for a refreshing break away from the busyness of life. Come over to beautiful Papamoa Beach and put your feet up in one of our recently refreshed motels or villas. Don't worry, we'll even have the bed made for you. The beach is only a 2-minute walk, cafes and restaurants nearby. Leave all your cares behind. There is no better place to revitalize, refresh and unwind. Everyone deserves a break. Visit pacificpark.co.nz. Make a real difference and have an influence on a child or young person with high needs. The Open Home Foundation are seeking foster parents, people like you who are willing to open up their hearts and home to care for a child or young person. Become a foster parent with full support, training and appropriate reimbursement. It will change their life and yours. For further information, please visit Open Home Foundation at ohs.org.nz. That's ohs.org.nz.
Have you heard the one about the European, American, Japanese, Chinese, Indian, South African and South American car owners who walked into Amazing Auto Electric, Christchurch's first choice for all auto electrical repair, followed by the truck, boat, caravan and commercial machinery owners? No joke. Any make, any manufacturer, Amazing Auto Electric will fix it. For the very best in auto electricity and everything in between, see Amazing Auto Electric. Phone 03 379 4250 or visit online at amazingautoelectric.co.nz.
More and more students are being diagnosed with dyslexia and other learning difficulties. If your child needs help with reading, Choice Learning is here. Choice Learning is passionate about ensuring students get the opportunity to become confidently literate so that they can choose their future. If your child needs help with learning and reading, contact Choice Learning. Learning that gives you choices. For further details, contact Shauna at choicelearning.co.nz. That's choicelearning.co.nz.
As a broadcaster, we adhere to Broadcasting Standards Authority rules. If you wish to make a formal complaint about something you've heard on Star, then you must send your complaint in writing to Private Bag 92636 Simon Street, Auckland. Attention the CEO, or email admin@rimamedia.co.nz. This must be done within 20 working days of the broadcast. If you're dissatisfied with the outcome, or if it's a privacy or election program complaint, you can refer your complaint directly to the Broadcasting Standards Authority. To find out more about this formal complaints process, go to their website bsa.gov.nz.
Here's a thought. Stop shooting on yourself. Many people shoot on themselves when they want to change. They tell themselves, I shouldn't eat this biscuit, or I really should go for a run. Should-based thinking doesn't work because it's a form of external motivation. This is leftover thinking from our childhood. It's as if mum or dad were telling us what we should do, but we don't really want to do it. We don't own the change, and so we look for loopholes. If we listen to the should, then we also want to reward ourselves with a treat. Instead, step into your adult self and realize there are no shoulds here. There is just what I choose to do or what I choose not to do. I get to choose and I get to experience the consequence of my choices. So stop shooting on yourself and instead own your choices. This is Richard Black. Find me at strengthforstrength.co.nz.
Christian music you've loved for years.